How to import products from Aliexpress to Shopify. Looking to import products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store? Stay tuned. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to streamline your dropshipping business. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for a dropshipping app like DSers or Ali Orders, and click Add App. Once installed, connect it to your Shopify store. Now open the dropshipping app you just installed and link your Aliexpress account by logging in. This allows the app to sync products from Aliexpress directly to your store. Visit Aliexpress and search for products you want to sell. Filter results by ratings, orders, and reviews to choose high-quality items. And using the dropshipping app, click the import button for the products you want to customize details like titles, descriptions, and pricing before adding them to your Shopify store. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Publish to make the products live on your store, and they're now ready for customers to buy. And that's it. Importing products from Aliexpress to Shopify is that simple. Start building your store today and take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching.